Hey everyone, this video is to thank Flybar for sending me the Force 1 Blue Jay. I'm actually going to give this drone to Valerie. This will be her first one she can practice with, mess around with. But I'm out here just to do a test here real quick and check everything out before I bring her out and have her fly it. And we'll see how it actually flies, because I have no idea. It's a little breezy, so it's real breezy. It's going to storm. We got thunder and lightning, and it won't even fight the wind. Today might not be such a good day to test it. Almost didn't get it come back that time with the wind. See all these gnats? They come out because it's going to storm. Look at that, wind's taking her away. I can't even do anything. I got her full pitch forward. Look at that. We are going to call it. So thank you very much, Flybar. Starting to rain now, so we are going to take her indoors. And after the rain quits, we'll get Valerie out and let her fly it and see how she does. And all my fishies all up top. Look at my big orange and black one over there. It's my big koi. Anyways, Flybar, thank you so much, brother. Very much appreciated.